Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a shortcut for a chat. But first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So first open the app. After, click on one of your chats, click on the settings, which is at the top right corner, and then you can see the last option is create shortcut for chat. So create a shortcut for this chat or group on your device's home screen and touch and hold an icon or tap add to add it to the home screen. And let's check it. And you can see that the shortcut is on my home screen, and if I click on that, I can open the chat. I do not have to go to the app and after that to select the chat. This is a very easy and quick way to send messages. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye bye.